Alright, I'm actually going to be talking on this one. I'm sure you guys enjoyed the first video of me not talking, but I think this one we need a little more explanation. Okay, so on this one we need to find our unknown value here, or the distance between the water ride and the roller coaster. We know that if we have two angles that are the same in two different, if we have two angles from one that match two angles from another, then these two are similar, and with that we can use similar triangles and proportions and set up a proportion to find our unknown length. So between our two arcs is our D and our 10. So 10 over D is equal to, and then here I have 21, so that's between 1 and 2, and over here is between 1 and 2, and I don't really like this, but this should be known that this is also 21 and this is also 45. But so this is going to be, so D, we have to put the top one over here on the top of the fraction here, has to come from the same triangle as this D. So here I have to put 45 on the top, and then the 21 and the 10 come from the same triangle, and that's how my proportion is going to be set up. Cross multiply, so 10 times 45 is 450 equals D times 21, so 21D. I'm going to divide both sides by 21, rounding to the nearest 10. So 450 divided by 21, rounding to the nearest 10 cents, so that would be 2140, so 21.4. And then I want to make sure to label it. And I could even put the distance is equal to. Okay, over here, how far is the entrance to the gymnasium from the band room? So right here I'm looking for this one. Again, this should be, so because I have 3 here and 1 here, between 3 and 1, the three arcs. So these two are corresponding sides. These two are corresponding sides. So D over my 32 is equal to 30. Taking these two, have to be on the top because they're from the same triangle. These two on the bottom. These are the corresponding sides. So cross multiply, so I have 25 times D, which is 25D. 30 times 32, 960. I'm going to divide that by 25. So divided by 25, 38.4. Don't forget to label. Okay, how tall is Becky? Again, using our similar triangles. So H, I could put it over 3, set it equal to 7 over 4. I could also put H, no, let's just keep it like that, not make it complicated. Cross multiply, so 4H equals 21. Divide by 4, divide by 4. So 21 divided by 4, 5.25 feet. So 5.25 feet. This one doesn't ask us to round to a nearest, so we're just going to leave it like that for now. Next one. How tall is the flagpole? So I have height over this height, which would be 6.5. The whole thing is 31.5, but I only need from here to here, so it's not 31.5. So from here to here, I would actually have to do 31.5 and subtract that 9 feet. So this right here is 22.5. 22.5. Corresponding sides, same triangle. Oh, but I need the whole thing. Oh gosh, sorry. Should have done. So the whole thing is 31.5 feet. Sorry, they're just overlapping. I don't want to just go from here to here. So sorry about that. And then 6.5 to 9. Again, cross multiply. So 6.5 times 31.5. So that's 9h equals 204.75 divided by 9. So his height is 20, not his height, sorry. So this height here is 22.75. Don't forget to label it. Okay, real quick, number 2 down here, it's missing a -4. This S is also supposed to be -4. Okay, so first with the vertices, -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -3, 1, 2, 3. So there's C. D is -3, 1, 2, 3. -2, 1, 2. And -3, -3. So here's our first one. And then we're going to do 0, -1. 0, -1. It's M. 6, 1. So we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, up to 1. Oops, not negative. And then 6, -1. So we want to know each pair, then write a proportion comparing the rise to the run, slope of each similar slope triangles, and find the numeric value. So my rise is 2. So 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which reduces down to 1/3. And this is 1 over 3. So those are the same. Same slope of this line here. Writing the proportion, comparing the rise to the run. So you're going to do the same thing over here. -4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -4, 4. 4. And then 2. 1, 2. -4. So here's our big one. And then the smaller one, -2, 2. So -2, 2. -2, -1. And then 0, -1. So my slope here is my rise is 1, 2, 3. So 3 over 2. And here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my big one is 9 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which reduces down to 3 over 2. Same, same.